So let me guess, you've been looking for another platform to monetize on social media. As you guys know, here on my channel, I am literally the place to go for monetization on all of these social media platforms. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here and it's your first time seeing my face, hey! So here on my channel, I offer lots of information, whether you are an entrepreneur and you own a business like myself, or if you are an influencer or an inspiring influencer, I am the plug. I literally monetize on all of these social media platforms, and whatever I monetize on, I come here and I share my information with you guys so that you guys can also monetize your social media platforms. So no, this program is not available to everyone, but if you are a person who uses Pinterest on the regular, you might be able to get this new monetization feature. So I was giving early access because I do use Pinterest a lot. If you are not on Pinterest, I don't know what you have been doing, but Pinterest is very crucial as an influencer or a small business. As you guys know, once you search something on Google, what pops up? Like, where do you see images from? Pinterest. Hello, get on Pinterest. Okay, so what exactly is Pinterest Creator Rewards? Pinterest Creator Rewards is a program where they give influencers and content creators the opportunity to earn money for uploading idea pins on Pinterest. So when I say idea pins, I'm referring to videos on Pinterest. So this program is a monthly reward program, and they are going to pay Pinterest creators for their original ideas, and also you get paid for engagement. If you guys are not aware, Pinterest does have a lot of different ways that you can get engagement on your pins. It could be comments, it could be messages, it could be pins, it could be people creating boards using your videos and your pictures. Okay, so now let's talk about who's going to be eligible for this program. Okay, so to be eligible for the Pinterest Creator Rewards, you are going to have your Pinterest on a business account. You cannot have a regular Pinterest account and be able to utilize this feature. Your page has to be on business, aka creators. You also have to use the Pinterest app on your mobile device. You have to be over 18 years of age. You have to be a legal resident of the United States or the District of Columbia. You must have at least 250 followers on Pinterest. You must have created at least 3 idea pins, aka Pinterest videos, in the last 30 days. Have at least 150 saves on your Pinterest pins. And of course, you must create original content. So if you fit the criteria, then you are able to unlock and be able to earn money on Pinterest. So the feature will pop up automatically for you if you are able to use the feature and if they feel that you are eligible for the program. So just make sure that your Pinterest app is kept up to date in your iOS. Make sure you keep updating the app. So the way that Pinterest Creator Rewards works is completely different from all of the other platforms, because on Pinterest you are going to see a lot of different programs that you're able to enter your videos into. So whichever one you choose, that's what you're going to be paid for. So each program has a different goal, and they also have different requirements to earn that money. And just to show you guys, I'm going to attach a screen recording of how my Creators Reward program bulletin board looks. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is my Pinterest Viva La Pink Posh. Most of my pins are actually my Jeep now, because my Jeep generates so much traffic to all of my social media platforms. But this is how the Pinterest Rewards program looks. Here are all the programs that they have. As you guys can see, I'm only earning on 2 of these programs because those are the 2 programs that I do the best inside of. So I just have to keep adding a bunch of videos to these programs to generate more money from these programs. So let's get back into the video. So if you are super consistent and you post frequently on your Pinterest, you are able to knock out these challenges in no time. So guys, there we have it. Pinterest Creator Rewards. I'm super happy to have been invited to this program. I love being invited to these programs, so I can come on here. I get like so happy when I get invited to these programs, because I literally, oh my god, I can't wait to tell my YouTube family about these programs so everybody can start earning money, because that's the whole idea of being an influencer or a content creator. We're trying to earn money and secure the bag online, like literally just online. So yeah, creating content is my passion, and I'm sure if you're watching this video, it's also your passion. So it's such an amazing thing to be getting paid for doing something that we love, like something that we do happily. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification button, because whatever I'm telling you guys, as you guys know, I always get these monetization features on these platforms. So I am definitely here to share with you guys. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notification button so you're never missing one of my videos. So guys, until the next video, thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day, guys. Peace and much love. Bye guys.